Hi guys, I'm here at the North Park in Fall River and I have two beautiful ladies behind me. You want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi.
Thank you guys for the picture.
You're welcome.
You have a great day.
You too.
Okay. Theresa! Oh, Theresa's down there, guys. She's she's already down to the bottom, guys. Let's go, Theresa. Go grab it, Theresa. Grab it. Oh, sorry, I'll go over here. Okay, Theresa, hurry up. Okay, Theresa. Good job, Theresa. Okay, where? No, you can just climb over here. Daddy will meet you over here halfway.
Go by the pole, no? Go by the
Okay.
pole.
Okay, Theresa. There's more kids over there, guys. Okay, Theresa. Come up. Teresa's down there, guys. Hi, Sebastian. Hi, Daddy. You want to say hi to my vlog? Hi, vlog.
Keep going like that. Keep
Hi,
going
Daddy.
Like that. Keep going like that. Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
Keep going like that. Why you left them?